What am I doing wrong here? It's all connected to the test, but the screen is non-responsive. So now, as you could have seen at the beginning of the video, it was not a smooth ride. It is what it is. One of the connectors had wires swapped. This is not Samsung, this is not Sony. Stuff can happen. Props to Rando Tech Nerd, a fellow YouTuber. Go see his stuff. He coined it as the Gaggiuinomate Pro V4 Gen 3.7. No, all jokes aside, this is now wired for the Gaggiuino. This is what it's all about. Welcome to old school YouTube, where clean white tables are long gone and everything is a mess. Welcome to my ADHD brain. Honestly, if you watch my installation video for the Gaggimate, up until the point where you have to hook up the PC board and the screen, everything else is the same. Installation, difficulty level, same. For me, it works. I didn't want to hook up everything and then it doesn't work, so there we go. There's certain stuff that happens here that just triggered this like memory of mine from a year ago when it goes releasing pressure, dropping beats. That was always super fun, always. I don't know why, but that was crucial for me. If I knew that it's dropping beats is coming, I knew my stuff was working. I want to announce that a video is being worked on as we speak. I am planning a endgame mods video, and I'm focusing strictly on the consumer, the person that wants to buy this thing. Having 2 mods available is such a great thing for us, that's you watching now. We win because they are pushing each other to do better things. That's my perspective. I have no affiliation but my own wallet. That's my motto. That's what I run by. Definitely watch out for that video. If you're interested in tinkering and Gaggiuino, Gaggimate, and so on, are you in that world? It's gonna be interesting for you. What you see on this table, this is my rabbit hole. Before starting this YouTube journey 2 months ago, this is what I used to do on a daily basis for my soul, for my brain, for my dopamine hit. So close to 1,000 subscribers, so whoever subscribed, such an honor to trust me. And for the ones that are gonna subscribe, it's a wild ride. Keep tinkering. Let's go down that rabbit hole together and destroy some stuff in the meantime. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.